Hoover Dam.
On the way back down, those are the outhouses.
We arrived at the Hoover Dam on our Grand Canyon tour.
These are the two guys that Brendan's named after. This one on the right is Michael Callahan. He was a politician, a war hero, one of the founding fathers of the newspaper in Vegas, the Las Vegas Sun. This guy, Pat Tomo, is an NFL football player that quit his multi-million-dollar playing career. Cardinals joined the Army and still at friendly fire. You can have a 240 billion operation.
I presume it's just over here.
The middle of the river down below the bridge is the state line, so half the bridge is in Arizona, the other half is in Nevada. Same with the Hoover Dam itself. I'm here for you guys today, so anytime you want photos, let me know.
It has to be if you're going up the Hoover Dam though. Oh my days. You can see where the water line's meant to be. Apparently it's 170 feet lower than what it should be. That looks good, doesn't it? That is a long, long drop. I'm quite surprised I've gone to the edge. If you like the videos, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. I always reply to comments. Let me know if you're coming to Vegas or you want to know anything about Vegas, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So give it a big thumbs up and give it a share. Thanks a lot, guys. Everybody, thank you so much for your support.